Hey, good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, February 22nd. So, what's going on today? So, we just had an 8:30 number from unemployment claims, 201,000 claims versus 217 expected. So, good number for employment, which means that employment is super strong, and this is going to hurt the case for the Fed to lower interest rates. However, the market is going through the roof. Of course, it does the opposite of what it should. We'll talk about that in a minute. 9:45, we have flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. 10 o'clock, we have existing home sales, and a talking head, FOMC member Jefferson speaks. We also have natural gas storage and crude oil inventories. So lots of stuff going on today. That being said, let's move on. So we're looking at the daily chart, and holy crap, look at this. We're gapping up and probably even going to gap up and take out the previous highs. So what is going on? Well, NVIDIA had its earnings yesterday, and that started it about 3:30 yesterday afternoon. Everybody started getting panicked that maybe NVIDIA's earnings would be really good, and there was a short covering rally that started about 3:30, 3 o'clock, somewhere in there, and just ripped it up. Now, I don't know about you, but one company's success or failure doesn't mean squat. Okay, it shouldn't impact the entire market. Are you kidding me? Most ridiculous bunch of baloney I've ever seen in my entire career. Come on, are you serious? That being said, guess what? The market is not ready to adjust to the fundamentals. And until it is, it's not going to, okay? So this is just my advice is Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. So make sure that you are nimble and you are quick, because once the market figures out interest rates aren't going down, they're going to be prolonged for a long time. We are probably going to see not a soft landing, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, it's been going on for months and months, but the AI boom is not going to save the market, and one company is not going to save the market either. And once the market figures that out, again, Jack be quick, nimble, Jack be quick, because that's going to be really imperative that you are able to move very, very quickly once this market finally figures out what the underlying economy is really doing. So there you have it. Where could we go? Who the knows? You know, we could probably see 5,100. I mean, that's how ridiculous this is. So 5,100. I'm gonna say 5,000 to 5,100. It could go down to 5,000. It could go all the way up to 5,100. I have no idea. And you know, this is a great example of trading what you see, not what you think, because obviously thinking is bad. Just trade what you see. Is what it is. Inventory. So yes, we actually had a divergence. We had positive price action yesterday, but negative inventory. So a little disconnect here between the inventory and price. That's always disconcerting, and that's because we were going down, and then at the last minute it starts to jam up, and it just did not have time to catch up. Inventory did not have time to catch up before the market closed. So interesting, but not substantial. Now, here we go. So overnight action, 51 points. So average is about 20 to 22. So we're over 2 times the average move overnight. 51 points overnight action. That's crazy. Shows, and this is just, it's nuts. I can't even begin to tell you how I'm sitting here going, what? Yeah. Okay, so where could it go? Where do we have? We've got some confluence around 50.77. Around the whole number, 5,100. I'm not going any higher than that. On the downside, 50.50, 50.37. Big bunch of confluence down here around 50.20. If we break the lows, 5,000, of course, will be the number. We can get down below 5,000. Maybe this thing will start going where the fundamentals are pointing. So that being said, Stock Trader's Almanac is negative 38.1. So there's only a 38.1% chance the market will go up today. That's from the Stock Trader's Almanac. This is the third day in a row with negative expectancy. And tomorrow, by the way, is also a negative expectancy. Don't see that very often. Of course, the market is defying those historical moves, as we've already just said. We'll have to wait and see how it all pans out, but there you go. Stock Trader's Almanac, 38.1. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.